teams seem to be lacking that X factor since it started raining. They're just trying to keep the game tight and
well, you know, when the weather conditions and the ball handling conditions change this much, vitally important that you just keep it simple.
yes, absolutely. Lifted up the Trinity player, hard tackle on the ground.
Good tackle from the number 11 for that's Dange. Royal College.
That's Ayash Maduranga. His work rate has been enormous throughout the season. So many hits per match, and this match has been the Bradby also. He has been playing pretty well so far.
Vijay Kumar with the balloon pass and the cut.
Turned over ball. There you go. Ball going back and forth. That's number 2 for Royal. Fajuddin, his brother played for Royal as well in 2009 and 2008. So generations being carried on.
.22 just came on the park and it looks like he might be just leaving. Vijay Surya just getting a stern warning from referee Dinka Prince, I think, for giving a little bit of chatter.
Yeah, he's lucky to stay on the field.
I'm sure his dad's not going to enjoy that. They'll be watching.
Trinity have been making a lot of costly mistakes, especially today. I think they've carried on that mentality from the St. Thomas's game. They have to try and reduce those mistakes, especially giving away penalties, very crucial penalties. The little punt, Mahima Gamage chasing.
Well, that's part of the thinking, really, just to try and stay inside the 22. And once you're there, you get more opportunity. Wonderful sight, everybody smiling despite lots of rain. They're on that side of the stadium and no chance for them to take shelter, really. But the Papare band, well, nothing matters to the Papare band. They're on steam, full on.
They're going for the number 4. Form in the rolling ball.
So Trinity College have a go at it.
A bit isolated there, but nevertheless he got his support. Mahima Gamage under pressure. Ovinaski, correction.
The kick should have possibly been a little bit higher.
Again, Ayash Maduranga with the ball. Very patiently waiting. He's a bit isolated, no support coming in.
So Royal College grinding away, just the phase play now.
You can see players all over there just trying to get the ball. Going forward again, keeping the game tight. About the 6th phase. We are going into the 6th phase, 7th phase. Penalty going Royal way. Oh, correction, Trinity way.
After all of that hard work, referee says just going to the deck. So it's going to be a fairly ugly rugby all told, but then this is part of the joy of this wonderful game. Once the weather conditions change, you just change, adjust, adapt. and carry on, and that's what you really need to do. Royal have done that. Trinity are still struggling with that thought.
That's where the think tank really comes into play. Decision making has to be correct. They have to change their game plan. It's wet, it's slippery. So you have to keep the ball tight, the game tight with the forwards.
None of the forwards love this weather.
Yeah,
They just
forwards
love it.
Well, this is what they dream of, mate.
Because they don't have to go to the breakdown pile far away from their position.
Again, Trinity making a costly mistake.
They keep trying to go long in the lineouts, mate, and it really is in these conditions a really big ask from the jumpers. You talk about those advantages, you talk about those little things, you talk about the basics, and in these conditions, it's the basics that will save you in the middle.
Absolutely. Basics will save you.
So the rain has stopped, thank goodness, but the weather, I mean the water, the mud, is all on top. You can see if you get a quick shot of the ground, it's got big patches of water all over the place, which means you're going to have to be a little careful about your running lines as well. The heat and pressure in that front row, that doesn't change. Vijay Kumar with the ball for Royal College.
Nikhil Gurudhira, the captain, taking the ball for not gaining much ground there though.
Vijay Kumar back.
Again clearing. Oh, that was a full out. So Royal with a very bad mistake. Mahima Gamage making that mistake.
Are they all Royals are concerned about that kick into touch, but don't worry, Trinity might go number 6 and lose position there.
Well, let's hope that changes. We've been hoping for change. We've been talking about change. They finally get it quick.
Oh, yeah, they finally got it. There you go. Working the line. That's a very hard hit.
Trinity with the format rugby really just need to change that thinking.
Penalty going Trinity way.
Taken quickly.
Oh, they are taking a quick tap. Going with the foul.
Good advantage. Taken by the number 8. This is a lot better from Trinity College.
Another penalty.
He's going to get the 10 as well, the 10 advantage. Well
Quick
done.
thinking and
Now that's good thinking from Trinity College. It's finally switched on. Maybe the thunder shocked them a little bit. Now they need to get it right.
Slowly marching forward. Again, Lashan Vijayasuriya.
Bandar Naika almost on the line. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Just that 1 yard too soon or too far. Perhaps a little offload would have changed the whole story. And Royal just get out of jail really.
yeah. Royal did well, but if not for that little error, which really costed them the ball being turned over back to Royal. So, but Royal under pressure. Royal definitely
Very
under pressure.
much
They
so.
have to clear it well.
5 meter scrum and Royal under pressure. They got to get this scrum right. Trinity for their part, if they can actually shove this 8-man shove and try and get this ball back, would be very interesting.
Lennox and Ashok is definitely under pressure there. Will be tested on Trinity.
That was
It's going
exactly
Trinity.
There you go. Weather conditions change, the conditions underfoot. Look at those Trinity boys knowing what they have done. Absolute adrenaline from them. They're pumped up. They feel it. They want this.
Yeah.
They are now so close to the line. they need to finally get some finish into this, Changa.
Yeah, absolutely, Sean. From where did that shot come from? They should have been doing it from the very first whistle and send a message to Royal forwards. Look here, we are here for business. It's
Yeah.
a bit too late because Royal forwards has been dominating play right up to this point.
Absolutely right, and maybe it's come from somewhere. We have to try and find out where it's come from.
Yeah, that was a really hard drive from Trinity. Let's see how Royal is going to defend from here. 5 meter scrum. Number 8, number 5, great scoring. Just over the line.
Good drive for that line from the number 8.
Oh, that's a try.
There's a quick chat with the touch judge. Ball went back or not? That's the question. Did the ball go back? Yes.
Yeah, for the first time, TMO has been tested.
Yes. Can you repeat it?
Here we go. Here's the ball. Perfect pass there. Collected cleanly. Decides to have a go himself. Falls over. Passes back. Does he? Yes, he does. Collected cleanly.
Can I get another angle?
That looks try. Yeah, that
Okay,
looks
just repeat that angle again.
Looks okay. But the TMO is here. He will make
Repeat
that
that
decision.
angle again.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks okay. That should be given a try. Yeah, the ball definitely didn't look knock forward. Not. It did not.
I'm ready with the design. Amanta, I'm ready.
He goes back. Well, we're
Dinga.
waiting for the TMO
It's a
decision.
It's a try. You can avoid the try.
So Trinity with another try, closing the gap. If they convert this try, that's going to be 17 all.
Here we are now. The Trinitians erupt. Absolute elation for them. Euphoria because Trinity finally manufactured a try from nothing pretty much. But they actually played to the conditions, got it right, and got that ball over the line.
Yeah, they got it right and they made history right. Getting the TMO for the first time in the history of rugby in Sri Lanka coming into play.
And we had to stay quiet because we heard the TMO say award the try, but we couldn't say anything.
Absolutely, and we couldn't say anything about the try too, but he's just over. Next to us.
That's good.
So-
I mean, this should happen in every rugby match. TMO should be in place
Absolutely,
wherever
mate.
possible. You know.
Critical kick now from the 22. Vijay Surya. Wow!
Superb kick by Lashan. He's so delighted. He should be delighted.
His dad will be screaming and shouting as well because that is perfect kicking and under the conditions, corner flag, absolutely wonderful.
Absolutely. That was a superb kick by Lashan.
There's a replay of that. That ball didn't touch the ground. He had control. He just popped it back really.
Yeah.
Very good thinking from that centre three-quarter.
So energized Royal team looking to pace down